All right, so now we want to write a failing assertion for the titles. So let's just put that in here. Let's we're going to actually let's do the about because we've got the title over here that we want. We're going to say assert, and this is the kind of thing where you just have to Google around or use something like the Rails tutorial book to learn about these things. We're going to use an assertion called assert select. And sometimes these HTML tags that we see here, for example, are referred to as selectors. I actually don't like this name, assert select, very much. I don't think it's very clear, but we will get used to it because we'll be using it a lot. By the way, I mentioned that it's not a good idea generally to test HTML structure, but this is the kind of thing that we really do want to have break. In other words, we don't want our test suite to break if the title gets changed. All right, so I'm going to put this in a string, and you can actually see here that you've noticed this before, that the IDE here is giving us a hint that there's a syntax error. It's kind of nice. So this is what the title should look like. We want it to look like about, and then this vertical pipe character, and then this base title. And we're going to use the same pattern on the other two. Help and home. And let's save that, and guard should run our tests. Again, if you're not using guard, you should just run a bundle exec rake test. Oh, so it's giving me a warning here, deprecation warning. I told you before that maybe you shouldn't worry about warnings, but this is actually an error because I haven't told it which selector it is. It should be the the title selector. So I actually want this. Actually want title here. It's the title tag. Do this. There we go. So now it should give me just a normal failing test. There we go, 3 failures. So it says here expected 0 to be greater than or equal to 1. So that what that means is that it's looking for a title tag with this content and it's not finding anything.